Hey guys, Gary here again. We're gonna start in the kitchen. Have you ever seen your gas be this low and it's all the way on max? Or do you have a tankless water heater and you don't have hot water? Or your laundry machine's not working? Let me show you what could be your problem. So here's our gas meter. And this is California, by the way. If you have any gas appliances that are not working, water heater, stove, laundry machine, or your gas is very little for some reason and you don't have a leak, or your appliance is fine and you know it's fine, it happened randomly, let's say a gardener came by and then after the gardener left you don't have gas, or they're working on your property and all of a sudden you don't have gas, let me show you how you can fix that problem. Alright, once you find your gas meter, look on it to see if you have something that looks like this. It's going to be red, blue, yellow, green. It's called an earthquake shutoff valve. This is strapped to the house. What this does is, in the event of an earthquake, it shuts your gas off so there's no fire. Or if, let's say, your roof collapses and you have an open gas line, it's here to prevent it from your house catching on fire. Now if we look inside this little peephole that it has, if I can show it on camera, over here it says red equals closed, open equals green. Right now in this meter it's tough to see, but it's red. And on every meter there's going to be a little flathead screw like this. It says turn left to stop, reset, 1/8 of a turn only. So any flathead, any knife, anything that you can get in here, and you can just twist it like that. And I already heard it. Now if we look back in here, it's green. Okay, now after we turn that valve back on and make sure it's green, let's come back to our appliance, and there we go. We have gas. So in California, I'm sure it applies to other states also, we have what's called that earthquake shutoff valve, which was that red valve we saw out front by our gas meter. Now, if you realize again one of your appliances isn't working, you don't have gas in the house, before you call anybody, go outside, find your gas meter, and check to see if your valve is open. Thank you.